is the academy to you? What is your main things that you were thinking when you were like, I'm going to do an interview with her? What do you want to say?
So far the academy has had like a big change in my life. Like before, I was going down the wrong path. I was not focused in school. There were too many distractions around, and my grades were an example of it. And eventually my mom was like, okay, in order to change this around, she found the academy, and I looked at it and I decided it was a good choice. And since then, it's been a great impact on my life so far. But before I stepped in for the interview, I'm still kind of nervous, but as I'm talking, I'm kind of like getting the groove of it and starting to relax and open up more about it.
So, how far into it are you guys?
Right now, we're 2.5 months in.
What has been now versus when you first started, biggest differences you've noticed?
Like before I came to the academy?
Yep.
Okay, perfect. Before I came to the academy, I will tell no lie, I was a kid not doing the best of things. Not really in legal trouble, but just like not the best son I could be to my mom, not very respectful. And since I've came here, it's just natural to me to be respectful to who was ever above me or anybody that's to my level. It's just a natural part.
Has it helped you, because you were saying school-wise, have you noticed different schools?
I've definitely noticed a difference school-wise. Before I would average like D's, F's, C's. Now it's like I'm on a roll now actually, and I average A's, A plus. I have 1 B right now.
Congrats, that's awesome.
Thank you, sir.
Due to, and it may be hard to know the answer, due to, more time with teachers or smaller class, any idea what kind of clicked for you at all, or?
As far as like the first weeks of school, like what clicked for me?
If you're saying like you went from a D to an A, is it like you get more time with teachers?
Oh yes,
smaller
yes.
Class sizes, just things like anything that popped out to you where you're like, this is how I need to learn because everyone learns differently.
Yes, I noticed like the difference from high school and school going here. It was like here they explained it to me, make sure I was alright, that I fully understood what they were teaching me. Compared to high school, it was like, here, look at this, you have a text next Monday. So right here I would say they do a good job with fully explaining and making sure that the students are engaged and know what they're talking about and know what they're learning.
That's awesome. Anything else that come to mind, like your lifestyle by yourself or like with friends, things like that maybe?
Like friends here, or are we talking like friends outside the academy?
A comparison.
Oh, a comparison. I would say there's a big comparison. When I was hanging around with my friends from back at home to here, like I would be with my friends, we would just goof around, skip school and all that, have fun. But here, my friends will make sure that I'm doing the right thing, I'm staying out of trouble, ranking up, doing what I need to do, helping me out, because I'm actually platoon sergeant, so they're making sure, hey, do you need help with this? This is how we can fix that problem. So it's a more positive type of circle around me as far as friendship.
Seems like too, but I'm kind of the same way when you're given kind of like more of a responsibility to do things. It's like a purpose to like do, it's like.
Yes, I do feel like once I've got the role of leadership, it's been more of my responsibility to make sure that everyone is doing the right thing, everyone is sharp, on point, looking good for the public and for everyone that looks at us and sees us as young men who are coming from this bad background and changing themselves now. So, yeah.
So I think everything was knocked on. I'm just trying to think of any other, because we hit a lot of good aspects. Is there anything when you were first, asked to do this that you were like, I really want to get to the people, or maybe like, what would you say to yourself before you started this? Anything like that final, like, this is what I really want to make sure gets heard. Anything like that you?
I just would like to, those of who are like nervous about coming, just relax. I had the same mindset before I came. It's all about, it's already all in your head, telling yourself that you can't do it when you really can. But best of luck to those who feel like they have the courage to change. That's about it.
That's perfect. It really is true. It's just You tell yourself that you can, or tell yourself you can't. So that's right either way. All right, I didn't knock anything over. You're
No.
good to go. I'm just gonna grab that microphone off you.
Yes, sir.
And you nailed it.
Thank you, sir.